Welcome back to my series on Urdu. Today I will discuss the fourth unique Urdu sound, qa, written with the letter qaf. It is produced lower in the throat. Anwar Mirza Puri has used 3 words with the sound qa in the first line of his shair. In Urdu, the sound qa is different from the similar sound ka. Listen to these words carefully. Kul, kul, qamar, kamar, muqarrar, muqarrar, muqaddar, muqaddar. Notice also the differences in the meaning just because of the change in the pronunciation of one sound. In Bollywood songs, the pronunciation of this sound was very important for the quality of performance. Classical playback singers did it with perfection. Listen to Manna Dey and Muhammad Rafi pronouncing the word qasam with qa. Hindustan ki qasam. Now compare it with this song by Chitra. You can notice that unlike Iqbal Banu, Manna Dey and Muhammad Rafi, who pronounce the word qasam with qa, Chitra pronounces this word 3 times as if it was qasam. This shows how diction has changed in Bollywood over the years. Qasam Khuda ki, I will never listen to Chitra again. Watch my next video for more on this sound.